Top 10 reasons why martial arts is good for people. 1. Physical fitness. Martial arts training involves intense physical activity, which helps improve overall fitness levels, including strength, endurance, flexibility, and balance. 2. Self-defense. Martial arts teach self-defense techniques which can be useful in real-life situations and help individuals feel more confident and secure. 3. Mental discipline. The practice of martial arts requires focus, determination, and perseverance, which can help individuals develop mental discipline and focus.
It was back in the style.